Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, you can clearly see an insane rally for the Bitcoin price, which we reached the $28,450 before a couple minutes. And guys, also yesterday I showed you this bull flag and I told you that there are lots of probabilities to break the resistance and get straight to retest the $28,000, which is a daily resistance. And guys, we didn't even went for a retest, we broke it and we moved over $28,500. And you can clearly see that I predicted that on my Twitter. I told you before 10 hours that we have this huge bull flag that is forming, and also of course I showed you that on my yesterday video, and I told you guys a couple hours later that this bull flag just broke and we reached the $28,200, and all I was waiting for is to close the daily resistance above this $28,000, which actually it happened. So this is a super bullish indication for the technical side. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, you were so bearish the last couple months, what happened and you flip into bullish? First of all, guys, I didn't flip to bullish. I'm neutral now, right now, not bearish, not bullish. I'm waiting to see how I'm gonna react on the FOMC meeting and also on this week, because there are lots of probabilities to see more banks into collapse. And if this scenario is gonna play out, we're gonna see how the Bitcoin is gonna react. If it's gonna react with furthermore pump, then this kind of adoption is gonna be super bullish and gonna dive into a bull run. But there is also a huge probability to do not react and on the FOMC meeting to see a crash. So right now the odds are 50-50 and we are waiting to see how we're gonna react. But from technical side, right now we are bullish, and from fundamental side, as it happened with the three banks which collapsed and we saw a pump and simultaneously we decoupled from the SP 500, that was super bullish. And of course the half pump was manipulated by whales and the other half pump was by real investors. That's why when we saw the pump over $26,500, as you can clearly see here, we saw a pump $26,500 and then we saw a pullback. Here it was the whales who sell off. Okay, and then of course we saw a continuation of this upturn movement. So on this video, guys, I would like you first of all to go and follow me on Twitter, because as you can clearly see the importance of Twitter. I'm updating you with whatever is happening within the day on the crypto space, and also I'm sharing you signals and some very good gems, crypto altcoin gems for the next bull run. And also and here I would like to mention a big thank you to everyone who participated on my membership channel. It's something that I appreciate a lot, guys. And before we go into our analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're helping me so much continue this journey. And with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, sharing to your friends, sharing your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and I appreciate it for this help, support from the bottom of my heart, guys. A big thank you to everyone. And without losing more time, let's dive straight into the 4-hour time frame, because guys, you can clearly see that before a couple days we had this falling wedge pattern, we had broke it out and we moved straight into this technical price target. We accomplished this technical price target because I showed you this falling wedge pattern and the technical price target, which was the $27,000. And the time that we reached here, we start moving in some declining sideways movement, which was the bull flag. Okay, and I showed you this bull flag, guys, from the first time, and also as I told you, I mentioned that on my Twitter. And right now I'm gonna show you the technical price target of this bull flag, because we had the broke out of the resistance at $27,300. And guys, you can clearly see that this bull flag has the technical price target, which is around the $30,800. Okay, this is the technical price target. I'm gonna put an orange box here just to know where we are going. It's exactly here. And if you ask me, Chris, do you believe that we can get there? Guys, it's gonna depend. Okay, right now the situation is looking extremely bullish. And if you ask me why, guys, because we broke this daily resistance, which was a very significant resistance, strong, the $28,000. We broke it and we closed the daily candle above it. So it's an indication of a super bullish technical aside that probably there is lots of space to see furthermore pump to the upside. This is the reason number one. There's the reason number two of this super bullish indication is that in the weekly time frame we also close this massive candle over the $25,200 area and also over $28,000, which is an insane super bullish indication that there are lots of probabilities to see either the beginning of the bull run or the biggest ever bull trap on the history of crypto space. And not only that, guys, but also the weekly candle closed over the 200 moving average with a huge difference. And you can clearly see, guys, and as you probably know, this weekly moving average, if closed above this red line, which is the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame, if we're gonna close the candle over this red line, is a super bullish indication of probably the beginning of a bull run. So we should consider that and do not ignore it, because of course some things happen very fast and change really fast, and we should actually have it in our mind that there is a potential scenario for a bull run. But of course right now we should pay big focus how we're gonna react on the FOMC meeting, because if we're gonna crash on the FOMC meeting, guys, then we are heading straight to $22,500. But if we're gonna see furthermore pump, or otherwise if we're gonna see another bank which will go into a collapse and we see furthermore pump on the Bitcoin price, then the situation is gonna get inevitably into a bull run. Okay, because if we're gonna break, guys, the $30,000, because obviously I believe that we're gonna break the $29,300 anytime soon. I believe that because it's a weekly resistance, and I believe that because of this, all this bullish momentum, that we're gonna get to this $29,300 area, and also we're gonna break it. But the most important resistance right now, guys, is not the $29,000, it's actually the $30,000, because as you can clearly see, the $30,000 area, it was previously the biggest support of this bull run, of the bull run of 2021. So actually, to flip from the bear market to bull run, we will need to surpass the previous support, which right now we're gonna retest it as a resistance. Okay, guys, this is the truth, and that we should pay big attention, that we will actually to say with big confidence that the Bitcoin is starting the bull run. We will need to surpass the $30,000 area, and also to decouple from the global economic system, and that's gonna be an insane bull run if it's gonna happen. So with other words, we are waiting right now to see some confirmation about how we're gonna react to the whole week. And also have in your mind, there is a huge potential scenario to see massive volatility this week, so be ready for anything. And I'm gonna analyze more about all these things tomorrow, because here is very late on night, and I'm so sleepy, guys, that all I need right now is to go to rest, but I couldn't resist to make this huge update for you. So I'm gonna close the video, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates, and I'm gonna speak for furthermore details about the whole current situation. So I did tomorrow video, guys. Your boy Chris is out. Follow me on Twitter, and bye.